Hi, it's a video about the Oriflame Diamond Cellular Night Cream. I'll just go to a little PowerPoint to show you a little bit more about it in a second. Just share the screen. So this is what it actually looks like. Get me out the road there. So it comes in this little container, and all the instructions actually how to do it. We'll just go to the next slide and show you a little bit more about it. So you can have a little read about this. It's a night cream. It reduces fine lines and wrinkles. You just put it on before you go to bed, and then all the magic work gets done. It's a very, very, very great product. It's one of our best sellers. And now, really, to get more details, just click on the website. There's two ways you can actually get to the website. One, it's going to be highlighted in the comments, and the other way is it's going to be in the description. So it's an amazing product. Once you go on the website, you can go to the bottom. When you've clicked on the product and go below, you can see the reviews of other people that's been using this amazing product. And any feedback, any questions, just leave it in the comments and I'll actually answer that. But thanks for watching. If you want to follow more videos, give this a like and a subscribe. At the end of the video, some other products you can actually click through and have a look to as well. So thanks for watching, everybody. Have a fantastic day. And I'll stop. You'll be seeing another video pop up very, very soon.